Now from the student's point of view, they go to their email or wherever the link is, click it, open up Zoom, and now what we're waiting for is the host or the teacher to allow us in. Now as you see, we have another student here, and I'm going to click Admit. So now that I've admitted them in, we have both students in the meeting. And it prompted me to join with computer audio on the student side. So now that we're both here, I can ask to start video. And then on their computer screen, it's going to prompt, host asks you to start your video, and you can click start my video and that will show up. So as a student, I can click participants, and then I can say the teacher asked a question and I can respond with a no. And as you see that one of the students responded with a no. So I could go unmute that student, ask them to tell me a little bit more, and then I can mute them again.